For centuries, humanity has gazed at the night sky, believing we had begun to understand its vastness. We mapped constellations, traced the spirals of galaxies, and even dared to estimate how many worlds might lie beyond our reach. But history has shown us a pattern. Every time we thought we had grasped the scale of the universe, reality proved us wrong. And now, the James Webb Space Telescope has delivered its most staggering revelation yet. With a single image, one that stretches across 13.5 billion years of cosmic history, Webb has forced us to confront the possibility that the universe is not only larger than we imagined, but infinitely more complex, more ancient, and more populated than any theory dared predict. This is not just a discovery. It is a redefinition of everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos. Before Webb, the Hubble Space Telescope gave us one of the most profound glimpses into deep space with its ultra-deep field. That single patch of sky, observed for days, revealed about 10,000 galaxies. Each one not a star, but an island universe containing billions of stars of its own. The revelation reshaped our concept of existence, leading scientists to estimate that the observable universe might hold up to 2 trillion galaxies. For years, Hubble's vision defined our understanding of cosmic scale. But Hubble was blind to the oldest light, stretched beyond visible wavelengths into the infrared by billions of years of expansion. What Hubble could not see, Webb was built to uncover. And when its golden mirror opened to the cosmos, the truths it revealed shattered our comfortable assumptions. Hubble showed us a neighborhood. Webb has revealed the entire continent. One of Webb's largest programs, Cosmos Webb, devoted over 250 hours to scanning a region of sky about 3 times the size of the full moon. Thousands of exposures were stitched together into the most detailed map of the cosmos ever created. Within this single frame lie some 780,000 galaxies, reaching back nearly to the dawn of time. In one image, we can witness the arc of cosmic history, mature galaxies resembling our own Milky Way alongside infant galaxies forming only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. The scale is incomprehensible. Imagine printing Hubble's deep field on a sheet of paper. At that scale, Webb's new image would stretch across a mural over 13 feet wide, every speck of light a galaxy, every galaxy a universe unto itself. This isn't just more data. It is a profound reminder of how small we are, and how much larger reality truly is. But perhaps the most unsettling discovery hidden within Webb's map is not just the number of galaxies, but how developed they appear at the earliest stages of cosmic history. Models predicted that the first galaxies would be faint, disorganized, and primitive, existing just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Instead, Webb shows us luminous, structured systems with spiral arms and heavy elements like carbon and nitrogen, proof that several generations of stars had already lived and died in record time. These galaxies should not exist, not yet, not so soon. Their presence shatters our cosmic timeline, forcing scientists to consider that star formation, black hole growth, and chemical enrichment began earlier, faster, and through processes we still do not understand. With a single sweep of its mirror, Webb has rewritten the story of creation, leaving us with a universe that feels both familiar and impossibly alien. What Webb has delivered is not just a picture, but a challenge. Every time we peer deeper into the cosmos, it grows larger still. Galaxies, clusters, and vast filaments of matter reveal a scale that may be beyond measurement, beyond comprehension, perhaps even beyond physics itself. The vast cosmic web stretches across billions of light years, connecting galaxies like beads on invisible strings. Some filaments are so immense that even light, the fastest thing in existence, would take eons to cross them. And yet, here they are, captured in a single image. It is the closest humanity has ever come to holding infinity in its hands. The deeper astronomers looked into Webb's data, the more they realized galaxies were not scattered randomly, like grains of sand. They aligned along colossal threads, filaments of dark matter and gas linking galaxies into organized, intricate structures. According to older models, such order should have taken billions of years to emerge from chaos. And yet Webb shows a universe that was structured almost from the beginning. A hidden blueprint written into reality itself. If the cosmos truly follows these patterns, then perhaps the universe is not a chaotic explosion but a masterpiece, crafted with rules we are only beginning to uncover. The implications ripple across science like shockwaves. For decades, the Big Bang model stood as the foundation of cosmology, explaining the birth and expansion of everything. But Webb's discoveries raise troubling questions. If massive, mature galaxies existed within a few 100 million years of the beginning, then either the universe evolved much faster than we believed, or our very timeline is flawed. Could it be that the Big Bang was not the singular moment we imagined? Some scientists now whisper about alternatives, that the universe may be cyclic, reborn again and again, or that time itself may not be linear but layered, allowing structures to appear too soon, because our understanding of cause and effect is incomplete. What once felt like solid ground now trembles beneath us, as Webb pushes us to question not just when the universe began, but whether the concept of a beginning makes sense at all. Webb also confronts us with a terrifying possibility, that the universe has no edge. During Hubble's era, we spoke of the observable universe, a sphere 93 billion light-years across, limited only by the distance light has traveled since the beginning. But Webb's revelations suggest that what we see is only a fraction of a greater whole, perhaps an endless expanse with no boundaries. If galaxies appear fully formed so soon after the supposed beginning, could the universe be older than we think, or even eternal? Infinity, once dismissed as a philosophical abstraction, now forces its way back into science. If the cosmos is infinite, then every possibility we can imagine must exist somewhere. Against that endless backdrop, humanity seems like nothing. And yet, the very fact that we can look out, measure, and even contemplate infinity, is a kind of miracle. Standing before Webb's images, we are caught in a paradox. Never have we felt smaller, and never have we felt greater. On one hand, we are dwarfed by hundreds of thousands of galaxies in a single frame, trillions more beyond our sight, each containing billions of stars, each star with the potential to host worlds. Against such immensity, humanity seems like a flicker in the dark. And yet, it was us who built Webb. Us who asked the questions. Us who dared to glimpse eternity. The fact that a fragile species on a small blue planet can stretch its vision across billions of years is perhaps the most extraordinary revelation of all. Webb is not just showing us the universe. It is showing us ourselves, reflected against the backdrop of infinity. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to push the boundaries of vision. But what it has revealed goes far beyond sight. It has shaken the very foundations of how we understand existence. With a single image, it has revealed galaxies too ancient for our models, structures too vast for our theories, and a scale that collapses the comfort of certainty. The true scale of the universe is not just immense, it may be infinite, layered, perhaps eternal. For every answer Webb gives us, it raises 10 new questions, stretching imagination itself to the breaking point. And yet within that immensity we remain, tiny, fragile, temporary, and yet capable of building a machine that looks into eternity and brings back its secrets. The silence in the halls of NASA, the awe spreading across the scientific world, all stem from a single truth. We are standing at the threshold of a cosmic revelation. The universe is not only greater than we imagined, it may be greater than we can ever imagine. And Webb has only just begun to pull back the veil. If you want to follow every update, every hidden image, and every discovery that redefines our place in the cosmos, subscribe and stay with us. Because the next revelation from Webb may not just expand the universe, it may rewrite reality itself.